Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first we draw A, and here is red color. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bus, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use red color and draw E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for God, G for grapes, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now J for joker, J for jackfruit, and here is yellow color. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. It's again use yellow color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin. It's now Q for queen, Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. It's now R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R, and here is blue color. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, again use blue color and draw U for umbrella, U for ankle. V for van, V for vanilla. W for wallet, W for watch. X for x-ray, X for telephone. It's again use blue color and draw Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. It's an item numbers, and first item 1, and here is green color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. It's an item 5. The numbers are 5, and here is black color. F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H D 8. 9 M I N E 9. 10 T E N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.